27 Photoshop CC projects plus 547 Photoshop templates course description. Although this course was designed for busy entrepreneurs, you don't have to be one to benefit from this course. Included, you'll find 27 Photoshop projects that you can use for your business, right now. Plus, I've included 547 pre-made Photoshop templates to help you get started even faster. You'll even learn how to edit the pre-made Photoshop templates to customize them for your own use. Like, how to change colors, text, and more. In addition to the free Photoshop templates, you'll learn how to create your own custom graphics, logo, flyers, brochures, and more, all in Photoshop. Regardless of your Photoshop experience, you'll learn step by step how to create 27 different design projects. Easily get started with Photoshop by learning from a professional graphic designer. I have 30 years experience in this field and will share all my pro Photoshop tips. Here is a complete list of all the Photoshop design projects included in this course and what you'll learn in each. Learn how to develop your brand identity and how your brand is different from your logo. Learn pro tips on creating your own logo in Photoshop, customizing one of the 92 included pre-made logos, and additional tips about getting a logo. Learn how to retouch like a pro in Photoshop CC. You'll learn how to remove blemishes, scars, and tan lines. Then, I'll show you how to enhance eyes, whiten teeth, and much more. And a practice photo is included too. Next, I'll show you how you can remove anything in Photoshop. Practice photos included so you can apply what you learn with the same image used during the tutorial. Now it's time to take what you've learned and apply it to your own profile/bio photo. Have an image with a bland sky? No problem, you'll learn how to replace a boring sky with a new set of clouds. Love your profile image, but not the color of your outfit? No problem, I'll show you how easy it is to change a green shirt to a blue shirt, or any color of your choice, in Photoshop. Oh, practice photo included too. Taking your own product shots and need to place it on a pure white, or any color, background. You'll learn how to cut out your products directly in Photoshop and place on a white background. Ready for some business cards? In this project, you'll either use one of the 75 pre-made templates included or custom create your own. Pro tips on how to set up your document within Photoshop to avoid common errors when submitting to a printer. Plus, design tips too. Let's not forget about your letterhead. New design tips included in this project. Next up, your thank you card. What? Why do you need one of those? I'll let you know during this Photoshop project. This is based off of my 30 years experience as an entrepreneur myself. It's time to start promoting your business with some custom-made flyers. You'll learn how to create custom shapes, add text to a curve and much more. Create a modern style brochure to further promote your business. More Photoshop design tips and more in this design project. Flyers and brochures can be expensive to print. I'll show you how to convert your documents into PDF files directly in Photoshop. Interested in promoting your brand or custom designs and selling on t-shirts, mugs, etc.? Then, you'll learn exactly how to do that with this t-shirt design project. Oh, and do you need to promote your new t-shirt designs on your website? Then, this next Photoshop project is for you. I'll show you how to take your t-shirt design, or any design, and add to a product mock-up. In other words, you'll display your artwork on a photo, with the person that is wearing a t-shirt, and it will look like you've already printed up your shirts. And you can change the color of the t-shirt too. I'll show you how. Have a design in mind for your website? If so, you'll learn how to create web designs in Photoshop CC. Now that your website is live, it's time to drive traffic to it. Learn how to create ad banners to promote your website. How about custom badges to promote your products/services? You'll learn how to create 2 different badges in this Photoshop design project. Plus, you'll have access to download 80 pre-made badges/ribbons and over 100 graphic elements to customize your own. Another Photoshop project to show you some new tricks. Learn how to create a pennant ribbon, warp it and apply text on a curve. Take your banner ads to the next level by creating animated GIFs. These are definite attention getters, and you'll learn how to create them in this Photoshop project. Take your website branding up a notch by creating a favicon for your site. Not sure what it is? You'll learn exactly what it is and how to create it in this Photoshop design project. Need to showcase your products/services with multiple photos? How about learning how to create photo collages? You'll learn exactly that in this project. Use your new custom collages on your website or any social platform. I'll show you how to create one document that can be used on any site. Everyone is telling you that you need infographics to drive traffic back to your site. Learn how to create one in this Photoshop design project, and additional pro resources are shared too. Tired of uploading single images to your Facebook timeline cover? Learn how to create your own custom covers to showcase your brand, products/services and more. Plus, you'll learn something new in this Photoshop CC project we haven't discussed yet. Let's also not forget about the 50+ Facebook timeline cover templates included for instant download. You'll also learn how to easily customize these templates with your own content and multiple images. Have a YouTube channel? Confused about what size to create your channel art? You'll learn how to create one document in Photoshop that will showcase your channel art on multiple devices, tablets, smartphones, computers, TV, etc. Finally, you'll learn why and how to add your branding to your YouTube thumbnails. It doesn't matter if you're brand spanking new to Photoshop or if you're an advanced user. Both beginner and advanced Photoshop tutorials to help you get started quickly.